Hello guys, pretty recently Inertia released version 2.1 and one of the most significant improvements was introduction of the form component presented, for example, here by Pascal from Inertia team at Core Laravel here in a tweet. Also, it was presented on stage of Laracon US, where you don't need to use useForm anymore. It's more simple syntax now. In this video, I will show you the difference before and after based on a few examples. Recently, after the release of Inertia, Taylor tweeted that Joe has migrated the changes into starter kits, both React and Vue.js. So I will show you both pull requests on their GitHub, and also we implemented those changes in our courses about starter kit. This is one of the perks to have text-based courses with repositories, so Vue and React starter kit courses will also use that new syntax, and I will also show that in action. First, if we take a look at the official pull request about form component by Pascal here, it shows only the new syntax. So form instead of useForm, there's no submit method, and also there's no form.something in the name here. But of course, it's better to understand if we see the before and the after. So here's a pull request in the official Vue starter kit, migrate useForm to new Inertia form, and there are files like login form, register form in Vue.js, and let's take a look, for example, at login.vue component, the most simple to understand. As you can see, the before and the after, useForm is replaced by just form, and of course, Inertia Vue 3 is updated to 2.1. It should be in the package JSON here. This is the change, the version. And then if I go back to login, then you can use form here and see instead of use form with the object of variables and submit method, you can just do this. Instead of form with submit prevent method, you just have uppercase form, same method post, and then you provide the action to the route. And then inside, instead of vmodel form email, you have just name email. That's it. So all those form.something is replaced by just the direct name of error's email. Same here, no vmodel, just name password, and same for form.remember, and also same for form processing for loader circle. It is replaced by just processing. And also there are things like reset on success password, and errors and processing are accessible in this syntax now within the form, so there's nothing on top anymore at all. So basically all the form is defined just here in this line without looking up or down. Similar example, register view, instead of use form with method, we have form, now more formatted vertically, and now you probably see the pattern of that change. And here's an example from our own course demo about Vue starter kit, in addition to form components and auth pages, which was basically copy-paste from the starter kit. We had a CRUD inside of that course. So here's the file change tasks create Vue component. We changed not only form, but a lot of other stuff cleaned up and updated. But you can see the same changes here. No use form, instead we use form. And then instead of use form here, and instead of submit form with transformations, and instead of this form lowercase with submit prevent, now we have form uppercase with action, with transformation here, and v slot, and then inside we have, instead of vmodel, we have just name, and so on. Same changes, so basically whatever is form dot is changed to without the form. And in that tweet I showed you earlier, Pascal also showed a few more features of that new form component, and I will link that tweet in the description below so you can take a look deeper. Now let's see the React changes. So same, almost identical pull request to the React starter kit officially, and for example, let's take a look at login tsx, and instead of head use form, again we have form head here from Inertia React, and then instead of having two methods here, use form and submit, we have down below the full chunk of code is replaced. Get diff is not ideal here, but you see the pattern and the difference. Again, form, action, and on submit complete here, and also processing errors props also here. And inside, input has name email instead of what it had. Value data email is not here anymore. And also no on change set data. So yeah, similar change in React, both in starter kits and again in our course that uses that starter kit. So I will link all of those changes in the description below, all the PRs and the original tweet by Pascal, and the link to the release of 2.1 of Inertia, which actually then got even updated. So there are a few new things. So 2.1.1 was released, and I already see some fixes here. So fix empty action, add prop disable while processing, reset form fields by name, and other improvements to that form component already. There's also 2.1.2 at the moment of shooting this video. So fix for on submit complete, and also adding reset on error, reset on success, and set defaults on success. So yeah, what do you think about this new change? Will you adopt it in your Inertia 2 projects? Or you're happy with useForm? It's not deprecated or anything, you can still use it, but for kind of quality of life improvements, new form component sounds to me as pretty impressive improvement, and a lot of people on Twitter agreed, so the original tweet got almost 400 likes. Are you one of the fans of this improvement? Let's discuss in the comments below. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.